Hello everyone, you're welcome. Solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 2. This is equal to x. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent a solution from here. Now we have x plus 2. This is equal to x. Now let's take this x on the left hand side and let's take plus 2 on the right hand side. So that now we have x minus x. This is equal to minus 2. So it's clear that x minus x, this is equal to 0. And this is equal to minus 2. Now from here, 0 cannot be equal to minus 2. So in other words, here we have a solution here equal to an empty set. Now, what does it imply? Now let's check that if we have A equal to B, then does it imply that A to the power of 2 is equal to B to the power of 2? Now let's find out. So we have x plus 2, this is equal to x. So the first step here is to square both sides, so that now x plus 2 raised to the power of 2, this is in the form of A plus B raised to the power of 2, which we can express as A squared plus B squared, then plus 2AB. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x squared, then plus 2 squared, which is 4, then plus 4x, this is equal to x squared. Now the next step is that x squared on the left hand side simplifies with x squared on the right hand side, so that now we have 4x plus 4, this is equal to 0. Now here we have that 4x, this is equal to, let's take plus 4 on the right hand side. This implies here we have minus 4. Now let's divide both sides by 4, so that now x here is equal to, this is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So the next step from here is to do the verification. So let's do the verification from here. Now let's do a verification here that x equal to minus 1 satisfies the equation. Now we have that x plus 2, this is equal to x. Substituting minus 1 here, then we have minus 1 plus 2. This should give us a value of minus 1. So in this case, minus 1 plus 2, this is equal to 1, and this is not equal to minus 1. Now, let's think in absolute terms. If we have x plus 2, that is the modulus of x plus 2, this is equal to the modulus of x. Substituting x, which is minus 1, then here we have the absolute of minus 1 plus 2. This is equal to, now the modulus of minus 1. In this case here, we have the modulus of 1. Minus 1 plus 2, this is 1. This is equal to the modulus of minus 1. And this means that here 1 is equal to 1. So let me think how you think about this math problem. You can just give your solution in the comment section. See you in the next video.